Now new topic, limits. First definition, let f of x be a function defined in an interval I and a belongs to I, then a real number L is said to be limit of function f of x at x equal to a if limit x tends to a, f of x is L. What is the definition of limit? Let f of x be a function defined in an interval I and a belongs to I, then a real number L is said to be limit of f of x at x equal to a. Here x approaches to a, x approaches a or x tends to a. It means x is close to a or nearly to a. Here x is close to, very close to a or very nearly to a. That means x is left hand side close to a or right hand side close to a, but not exactly a. Limit x tends to 3 x square and x tends to 3 x square. Here x is approaches 3, x tends to 3. So here x is close to 3, either left hand side close to 3 or right hand side close to 3. Now x equal to 3, x3 square is a 9. Here approximately equal to 9. This one is approximately 9, not exactly 9. Suppose the left hand side result is 8.99, 8.9, next 8.99, 8.99, 8.999 and so on. This one approaches to 9. Right hand side limit. This one is 9.01, 9.001, 9.0001, 9.0001, 9.00 and so on 1. This one approaches to 9. Okay. Limit x tends to 3x square. So this one approximately equal to 9. So x tends to 3. It means left hand side closer to 3 or right hand side closer to 3. Left hand side closer to 3, result is 8.9 or 8.99, 8.999, 8.999. This one is approaches to 9. Yeah, right hand side limit 9.01, 9.001, 9.0001, 9.00001, very small number, very small number. This one is approaches to 9. So approximately what is the answer? 9. On the number line, minus infinity and plus infinity is a real number. Suppose here x equal to a or x equal to whatever. This direction is called left hand side, this direction is called right hand side. Left hand side direction denoted x tends to 2 minus. Right hand side direction denoted x tends to 2 plus. Left hand limit of f of x at x equal to a. Now limit x tends to a minus f of x. Limit x tends to a minus f of x. That is, limit x tends to a, here x is less than a, f of x. Now right hand limit of f of x at x equal to a. Now right hand limit is limit x tends to a plus f of x. That is, limit x tends to a, here x is greater than a, f of x. I hope this is clear. Next, to find left hand limit x tends to a minus f of x. Now putting x equal to a minus h, so that as x tends to a and h tends to 0. So limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h. Limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h. To find right hand limit, now limit x tends to a plus f of x. Now putting x equal to a plus h, so that as x tends to a and h tends to 0. So now limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h. I hope this is clear. Small example. F of x equals x power 3 plus 2. F of x equal to x power 3, x cube plus 2. Now right hand limit at x equal to 4. Right hand limit at x equal to 4. Right hand limit is x tends to 4 plus. Now limit x tends to 4 plus f of x. F of x is x cube plus 2. X cube plus 2. Now x and f of x. Here 4 plus means x is closer to 4 plus. 4 plus means this is the 4. Right hand limit. This one is approaches to 4 from right hand side. So 4.01, 4.001. So 4.01, 4.001, 4.0001, 4.0001 and so on. So approaches to 4. So x equal to 4.01, 4.01 or 4.1, whatever. 4.1, 4.01. So 4.1. What is f of x? X cube plus 2. Here x is 4.1, 41 cube. Approximately 4 cube, 64. So 64 means approximately 66. 66 plus 2, 68. 68.34. Next, 4.01. X cube plus 3. 4.01 whole cube plus 2. This one is 68.18. Next, 4.001. x cube, 4 cube, 64 plus 2. This one is approximately 67.93. 4.0001. This value is closer to 67.12. Now 4.0001. This one is 66.43, and so on. And so on. So one more. Here actually 4 cube. 4 cube is 64. 64 plus 2, 66 exactly. So this one is approaches to 4. This one is closer to 66. The value అనేది మనకి closer to 4 వెళ్తుంది. This one is closer to, it is closer to 66. So right hand limit answer is x cube plus 2. Right hand limit is 4 cube is 64 plus 2, 66. This one is closer to 66, not exactly 66. So answer is 66. Same problem మనము right hand limit find out చేసాం అనుకోండి. f of x equal to x cube plus 2, left hand limit at x equal to 4. Left hand limit at x equal to 4. So limit x tends to, left hand limit denoted by x tends to 4 minus f of x cube plus 2. So this one is 4 minus the number line. This direction is called left hand side. So 4 minus means 3.9, 3.99, 3.999 and so on. Here x and f of x. First one is 3.99, 3.99, 3.9, 3 point and so on. So this one is closer to, close to 4. First one is 3.9, next to 3.99, 3.999, 3.999 and so on. So this one is closer to 4, approaches 4, x approaches to 4. Left hand side or right hand side? From the left hand side. Now f of x is x cube plus 2. Here x is closer to 4, 4 cube, 64 plus 2, 66. This one is approximately 65.28. So 65.76. This one is 65.07, 65.78. Just approximate roughly as well. This one is 66.65 point or 66 point some value. So this one is approaches to 66. So మనకి left hand side limit అండి x approaches 4, 3.9, 3.99, 3.99 and so on approaches to 4. So 4 cube is 64, 64 plus 2 is 66. So this one is closer to 66, not exactly 66. Left hand right hand limit ఎలా find out చేయాలి, left hand limit మనం calculate చేయాలి value. So a left hand limit equal to right hand limit, it means limit exists. In case left hand limit and right hand limit both are unequal, then limit does not exist. So place లో మనకి వీడియో మిస్ అయ్యిందండి. సో x and f of x. X approaches 4 minus, it means 3.9, 3.99, 3.999, 3.9999 and so on. This one closes, this one approaches to 4. This one approaches to 4. 3.9, f of x is x cube plus 2. 3.9 whole cube plus 2. 64.70. Next, this one 3.99 whole cube plus 4. This one is 64.99. This one is 65.24. This one is 65.76 and so on. This one is approaches to 66. Approaches to 66. So this one is closer to 66. One more example. F of x equal to fractional part of x. fractional part of x. This one is fractional part of x. Find the left hand limit at x equal to 5. Find the left hand limit at x equal to 5. Left hand limit on the number line here x equal to 5. Left hand limit, this one is 4.999, this one 4.99, this one is 4.9, and so on. This one left hand limit. Right hand limit, this one is 5. Right hand limit 5.1, 5.0001. This one is 5.001. This one 5.01. This one is the right hand limit. This one left hand limit. Here approaches from left hand side to 5. So left hand limit. Now x and f of x. Here f of x is the fractional part of x. 4.3. It is a fractional part of x. So what answer? 0.3. 5.0. What is the fraction point? 0. So fractional point of x is 0. 5.0 integer. Now 3.6. Here fraction point is 0.6. 2.9999. Here fraction part of x is 0.999. Here x equal to, first x equal to 4.9. So fractional part of x 4.9. So 0.9. This is 4.99. 4.999. So this one is 0.99. So 4.999. 4.999. So fractional part of x is 0.999. So 4.999. So 4.49. This one 0.999. This one approaches to 5. This one nearly to 5. This one is nearly to 1. This one is nearly to 1. It is close to 1. So what is the left hand limit of this answer is 1. So answer is 1. I hope this is clear. Okay. This one is x is closer to 5. X is approaches to 5. Approaches 5. F of x limit is approaches 0.9, 0.99, 0.999, 0.999. So limit x tends to left hand limit 5 minus f of x is 0.9999 చేస్తే wrong అయిపోతుంది answer. Now limit x tends to 5 minus f of x is 1. This one is nearly to 1, closer to 1. So answer is 1. Let's define what points. If one of the left hand limit or right hand limit or both left hand limit or right hand limit, right? So left hand limit or right hand limit or both does not exist, then limit does not exist. One of the left hand limit or right hand limit or both does not exist, then limit does not exist. Second one. If both left hand limit and right hand limit exist and unequal then limit does not exist. I hope this is clear. One of the left hand limit, right hand limit or both does not exist, then limit does not exist. If both left hand limit, right hand limit exist and or equal or unequal, then also limit does not exist and or unequal, then also limit does not exist. One example. So case 1 is limit extends to a minus f of x does not exist. Limit extends to a plus f of x does not exist. In this case, limit does not exist. If both left hand side limit, right hand side limit exist and unequal, so limit extends to a minus f of x not equal to limit extends to a plus f of x. In this case also limit does not exist, then also limit does not exist. For example, limit extends to 3 x square plus 5. Limit extends to 3 x square plus 5. First we have to find left hand limit and right hand limit. Both rendu exist kavali plus both are equal aithe limit exist. So first left hand limit extends to 3 minus x square plus 5. So 3 minus 3x and f of x. This one is f of x. 3 minus on the number line. This is the number line. Left hand side. 3 minus means left hand side. This one is 3.9. This one 3.99. This one 3.999 and so on. X is 3.9. Sorry, this one 3. Number line 3. 2.9, 2.99, 2.999 and so on. So x is 2.9. What is the f of x? So close to 3 square, 9 plus 5, 14, approximately 12.89. Next 2.99, so 13.43, 2.99, 13.96. 2.999, so 13.99. This one is approaches 3. This one is nearly to 14, close to 14. This one is close to 14. Here x 3 square how much? 9. 9 plus 5 14. So this answer is 14. Next, this one is left hand limit. This one is right hand limit. Limit extends to 3 plus f of x square plus 5. On the number line, this is 3. This point is 3.1, 3.01, 3. Sorry. This one is 3.1, 3.01, 3.001, this one 3.001 and so on. It is this one is right hand side of 3. Now x and f of x, x and f of x. First x is 3.1, x square plus 3. So 3.1 means it is greater than 3.1 means closer 3 square 9 plus this one is approximately 16.43. Just closer to S values, exact values right. 3.01, this one is 16.05. 3.001, this one is 15.74. 3.001, this one is 15.21. 3.0001, this one is close to this result x square plus 5. 3.0001 whole square plus 5, this one is 14.74. So 3.0001, this one is close to 14.23. This one is approaches 3. This one closer to 14. This one is closer to 14. Next values మనం substitute చేసేకొద్దీ closer to 14 అండి. So result is 14. So 3 square 9 plus 5 14. Here left hand limit equal to right hand limit. Yeah, left hand limit equals right hand limit. Both are exist and both are equal. Then limit exists. So therefore this one is limit x tends to 3 minus f of x equals limit x tends to 3 minus f of x equal how much? 14. So therefore limit x tends to 3 f of x is 14. I hope this is clear. One more example. Limit x tends to 6 fractional part of x. Limit x tends to 6 fractional part of x. First we have to find left hand limit and right hand limit. Left hand limit and right hand limit. First left hand limit. Limit x tends to 6 minus fractional part of x. On the number line, this is the number line 6. So left side of 6. This one is the left side of 6. This one 5.9, 5.99, 5.999 and so on. So x is 5.9, 5.99, 5.999, 5.9999 and so on. This one is approaches 6. X approaches to 6. Now f of x. Here f of x is fractional part of x. Fractional part of x. Fractional part of 5.9, 0.9. Fractional part of 5.99, 0.99. Fractional part of 5.999, so 0.999. Fractional part of 5.9999, 0.9999. This result is this one close to 0.099999. It is close to 1. It is close to 1. This result is 1. అదే మనం 0.999 వస్తే రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ అయిపోతుందండి. This one is closer to 1. 1 is the answer. Next right hand limit. Okay, right hand limit. Limit x tends to 6 plus fractional part of x. We need to find this result. This is the number line 6, right? This one right hand limit. 6. This one is 6.1, 6.01, 6.001, 6.001. This one is 6 and so on. This is the number line. On the number line 6. Here x and f of x. Here x is 6.1. Next 6.01, 6.0001, 6.0001, 6.0001, 6.00001, and so on. This one is approaches to 6. X approaches to 6 from the right hand side. So f of x is a fractional part of x. What is the fractional part of 0.1? Fractional part 0.1. Fractional part of 6.01. So 0.01. Fractional part of 6.0001. This one 0.001. 0.0001. This one 0.0001. This one 0.00001. This one is closer to 0. 0.0000 is a very small number. So this one is closer to or nearly to 0. So this one answer is 0. Antegani 0.0001 is wrong ayipotundandi. This one is approaches to 0, closer to 0. Here left hand limit is 1, right hand limit is 0. Yeah, in this case left hand limit not equal to right hand limit. So limit does not exist. Limit does not exist. I hope this is clear. మనం ఇంకా బేసిక్స్లో ఉన్నాం, బేసిక్సే చెప్తున్నాము. బేసిక్స్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మనం స్టాండర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాం. డిఫరెంట్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఉంటాయి, డిఫరెంట్ మెథడ్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాం. Next one, indeterminate forms. Next one, indeterminate forms. X into y equal to z. X approaches 0 into y approaches 3. So this result is 0. X approaches 0, y approaches 3. So result is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So z approaches 0. Now it is determinant form. Determinant form. So x approaches 4, y approaches 2, z approaches 8. This one also determinant form. X approaches 0, y approaches 0, z approaches 0. This one also determinant form, df. df is a determinant form. Determinant form means I should able to give answer. What is the determinant form? I should be able to give the answer. I should be able to give the answer. Indeterminate form. I will explain. Indeterminate form to explain chestanu. So x into y equals z. X approaches 7, y approaches 1. So z approaches 7 into 1, 7. This one is a determinant form. Determinant form means I should be able to give the answer. X approaches infinity, y approaches 3. So infinity into anything is infinity. So z approaches infinity. So determinant form. X approaches infinite. X approaches infinite, y approaches infinite. So infinity into infinity is infinite. So this one also determinant form. Now x approaches 0. Now y approaches infinite. 0 into anything is 0. Anything into infinity is infinity. Here contradiction. This one is a contradiction. So this one is indeterminate form, IDF. Indeterminate form. 0 into A approaches 0, B approaches infinity. This one is a contradiction. Now it is an indeterminate form. This result is a box, means contradiction. It is indeterminate form. For example, case 1, A, B equal to C. A, B equal to C. A to B equal to. So first here x. So x is x, y, z. Here x approaches 0. X approaches 0. 10, 1, 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 4 and so on. Here x approaches 0. 10 power minus 2, 0 point something, 0.01, 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 3 means 1 by 10 cube, 0.001. So this one x approaches 0, y approaches infinity. Into 5, suppose sequence into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5, into 6, into 7 and so on. So result is 2 into 10, 20, 3 into 1, 3. So this one is 4 into 10 power minus 1, 0.1, 0.1 into 4, 0.4. This one 0.05. This one 0.006, this one 0.007 and so on. So one approaches 0. So 0, this one approaches infinity. 0 into infinity is 0, 1 result. Case 1. Case 2. Case 2. X, Y and Z. So 10 power, 10, 1, 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 4 and so on. X is 5 into 10 square into 5 into 10 cube, 5 into 10 power 4, 5 into 10 power 5, 5 into 10 power 6. So x approaches 0, 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, 0.001, x approaches 0, y approaches infinity. Value increase out 5, 500, 5000, 50,000 and so on. So result is 50. This one is 5 into 10 square, 500. This one is 500. This one is 500. This one is 500. This one is 500 and so on. All are same. So in this case, this one is 50. 100 in 10 into 50, 500. Same result, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500. This one 500. Case 1, case 2. Clear అర్థం చేసుకోండి. calculus important point, important topic. So case 3, x into y equal to z. 10, 1, 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 4 and so on. Here x approaches 0. 10 into 5, 5 into 10 power 3. 5 into 10 power 4. 5 into 10 power 5. 5 into 10 power, 5 into 10 power, okay, leave it, into 5, no problem. So this one 10 power 6. So 5 into 10 power 7. This one answer is 50. This one is 500, 5000. This one is 5000. Suppose this one 3, this one 4, this one is 2, this one is 4, this one is 6, this one is 8, whatever, any values, 10 and so on. 500, 5000, 50, 5000, this one is 3 zeros. 50,000, 5 into 10 power 4, 5 into 10 power 5, and so on. This one is approaches infinity. This one is approaches infinity. Case 1 में చూస్తే 0 into infinity. 0 into infinity result 0 వచ్చింది. Here x approaches 0, y approaches infinity. Z is closer to 0. Here x approaches 0, y approaches infinity. Result is the same, 500, 500, 500. X approaches 0, y approaches infinity. This one is infinity. Value increase అవుతుంది కదండి infinity. ఇక్కడ కూడా value increase అవుతుంది. Suppose this is 5 into 10. 5 into 10 square, 500. So suppose it's 7, 10 power 5, 3. This one is 9. Examples తీసుకుంటే అయిపోతుంది into 6 and so on. This one is 11. So 5 into 10 power 7 and so on. So 50, 500, 5000 value increase అవుతుంది up to this one closer to infinity. This one closer to infinity. 0 into infinity 0. 0 into infinity 0. So 0 into infinity infinity. 0 into infinity 0. 0 into infinity finite number. So in 3 cases approach చేస్తే so x approaches 0, y approaches infinity. Now z approaches contradiction. So it is indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. ఎందుకంటే మనకి 3 అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే 3 ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. కేస్ 1లో, కేస్ 2, కేస్ 3 3 కేసెస్లో రిజల్ట్ డిఫరెంట్ వస్తుంది మనకి. ఎక్స్ అప్రోచెస్ 0 తీసుకున్నాను, వై అప్రోచెస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ తీసుకున్నాం. జెడ్ ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి 0 1 కేసు. హియర్ జెడ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ సెకండ్ కేస్. థర్డ్ కేస్ జెడ్ ఈజ్ ఫైనైట్ నెంబర్. సో మనకి ఏమంటే దీన్ని ఏమంటాం మనము ఇండిటర్మినేట్ ఫార్మ్. By the observation, indeterminate form means by the observations I cannot give the answer. I cannot give the answer. I have to manipulate it. I have to convert it. I have to convert it in determinate form. Then only I will give the answer. So indeterminate form మనం ఏం చేయాలి? Manipulate చేయాలి. Convert it into determinate form. Then only I will give the answer. అప్పుడు మనం ఆన్సర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయగలం. Next, types of indeterminate forms. Types of indeterminate forms. First one is first form 0 into infinity. First form is 0 into infinity. First case, case 1, 0 approaches into infinity, approaches infinity. It is indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. Already clear explain చేశాను. So x approaches 0, y approaches infinite. So product of these two is indeterminate form. Case 2, 0 into 0, it is exact 0. Exact 0. 0 into anything is 0. It is determinate form. 0 into infinity is 0. It's a determinant form. So result మనం find out చేస్తున్నామంటే determinant form. Result రావట్లేదంటే indeterminate form. It is a contradiction. Here zero, exact zero into infinity. This one approaches infinity, it is exactly zero. Phase problem, it is approaches zero. First one, second one approaches infinity. It is the contradiction. So indeterminate form. Confuse అవ్వద్దండి, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Exact zero, zero into anything is zero. But in this case is approaches zero. Approaches zero means 0.1, 0.001, 0.0002, 0.001 and so on. So different results వస్తాయి. మనం క్లియర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను కూడా. So this one is one. Now second case, 0 by 0 form. Second one, first one is 0 into 0 form. Second one is 0 by 0 form. First, now it is indeterminate form. 1.1, 0 by any number is 0. Any number by 0 is infinite. So numerator is 0, approaches, denominator is approaches 0. So then modify అనుకోండి 0 into 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. Both are same. Here denominator approaches infinity. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means denominator is approaches infinity. So it is indeterminate form. This one is indeterminate form. I hope this clear. Numerator approaches 0, denominator approaches 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. Infinite. So 0 into infinite is indeterminate form. 0 by 0. Numerator is exact 0. 0 by anything is 0. It is a determinant form. 0 by approaches 0. For example, approaches 0 into మనం తీసుకుంటామండి 0.1. This one like 0 by 0.1, 0.001, approaches 0, 0.001, 0.0001 and so on. Now 0 by anything is 0. All the results are zeros. Okay, I hope this is clear. Denominator 0, undefined. Now third one. Numerator approaches 0, denominator is 0. Denominator is 0. Denominator 0 means undefined. It is always undefined. Next one, 0 by 0 is also undefined. 0 by 0 is undefined. Denominator 0. Denominator 0 means undefined. I hope this is clear. Approaches 0 into approaches infinity. So indeterminate form. Exact 0 into anything is 0. It is determinate form. 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form. Numerator approaches 0. Denominator approaches 0. Denominator approaches 0 అంటే మనకి infinite possible, undefined possible. So 0 into infinity, చెప్పాను already 0 into infinity is indeterminate form. So numerator exactly 0, 0 by anything is 0. Next, denominator 0, undefined. Denominator 0, undefined. Denominator 0, undefined. 0 by 0, undefined. It means these two are indeterminate forms. 0 approaches 0 by exact 0, indeterminate form. 0 by 0 also indeterminate form. I hope this is clear. This is third form, indeterminate form, third one. Infinity by infinity form. Infinity, numerator approaches infinite, denominator approaches infinite. So 1 by infinity is 0. So 1 by infinity approaches approaches 0. Already చెప్పాం. So numerator is infinity, approaches infinity into 1 by infinity is approaches 0. It is determinate form, indeterminate form, indeterminate form. 1 by infinity is 0. 1 by denominator is approaches infinity. 1 by approaches infinity is 0 approaching. Approaches 0. So infinity into this one is indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. Fourth one, infinity minus infinity form. Infinity minus infinity form. Now infinity minus infinity. Now it is indeterminate form. This one is approaches plus infinity. This one plus infinity approaches. This one approaches minus infinity. It is a contradiction. This one approaches infinity. This one approaches minus infinity. So it is a contradiction. Now it is indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. Now infinity plus infinity. So it is a determinate form. Infinity. This one approaches positive infinity. This one also approaches positive infinity. Both are approaches positive infinity. It is determinate form. Next, fifth one. Fifth form. 0 power infinity. 0 power infinity form. 0 power infinity. First one, 0 power is approaches infinity. 0 power anything is 0. 0 power anything is 0. Second one, base approaches 0, power approaches infinity. Base approaches 0. For example, 1 by 2 whole power infinity. 1 by 2 whole power infinity 0.5. So 1 by 2 ni infinite times multiple chesam anukondi. 1 by 2 into 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 and so on up to infinity. Value అనేది decrease అవుతుందా increase అవుతుందా? Value will be decrease 0.0 something. This one approaches 0. This one is close to 0. This one is nearly to 0. I hope this is clear. 1 by 2 is 0.5. 0.5 into 0.5, 0.25. 0.25 into 0.5. This one is 0.25. This one is 0.125. 0.25, 0.125 value and decrease అవుతుందండి. సో ఇలా మల్టిపుల్ చేసాం అనుకోండి. సో 0.0625, 0.0625, 0.0007285. సో అలా మనం మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తూ పోతే లాస్ట్ ఫైనల్ దేనికి చూద్దామండి 0.0000001. సో it closer to 0. This one is closer to 0. I hope this is clear. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 infinite times multiple చేస్తే least value వస్తుంది. Least value is 0. It is closer to 0. Suppose మనం అదే suppose 2 power infinity తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into and so on infinity. This one is infinity. Approaches infinity. 2 into 4, 4 into 8. Value అనేది increase అవుతుంది. 2 multiplied by infinite times. So this one is closer to infinity. This one is closer to infinity. So మనకి పాయింట్స్ డెసిమల్ 0 point some వాల్యూలో సపోజ్ 1.4 whole power infinity. This one approaches infinity. 0.4 whole power infinity. This one approaches 0. I hope this is clear. This one is approaching. So 2 power is approaches infinity. 2 ni infinite times multiple చేస్తే పోతే it's very large value. So it is close to infinity. 1 by 2 whole power infinity. 1 by 2 ని మనము infinite times multiple చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, వాల్యూ రెడ్యూస్ అయిపోతుంది. This one is close to 0. This one is close to 0. So 1.4 అంటే greater than 1. Greater than 1 value ని మనం greater than 1 value ని infinite times మనం మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, ఇన్ఫినిటీ. లెస్ దెన్ 1 వాల్యూని ఇన్ఫినిట్ టైమ్స్ మనం మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, అప్రోచెస్ టు 0. వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్. సో 0 పవర్, now here 0 power, base is approaches 0, power is approaches infinity. So this one is approaches 0 point some value, approaches 0 point some value, power of 0 point some value is approaches infinity. This result always 0. This result always 0. It is determinant form, indeterminate form. This one is determinant form. This one is determinate form. This one is determinant form. Next, infinity power infinity form. Infinity power infinity. Base approaches infinity, power approaches infinity. This one approaches infinity. Infinity means it is always greater than 1. Base is greater than 1. Base is greater than 1. Base greater than 1. Yeah, base is greater than 1. It approaches always infinity. Base is greater than 1. It approaches always infinity. Base less than 1 ఉంది అనుకోండి. So 0, your base is less than 1. Base is less than 1. So this result will be 0. Base is less than 1, it approaches 0. Base is 0.5, it is less than 1. This one approaches 0. Just memorized this concept. Indeterminate forms very very useful. We clearly explain చేస్తున్నాను. డిటర్మినెంట్ ఫామ్ ఎలా వస్తుంది, ఇండిటర్మినెంట్ ఫామ్ ఎలా వస్తుంది అని క్లియర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. క్యాచ్ చేయండి. మనకి ప్రతి పాయింట్లో క్లారిటీ ఉందనుకోండి, ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేసినప్పుడు మనం ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ చేయగలుగుతాం. Next form, which form this one? 7th or 6th? 7th form. Okay, next form, 0 power 0 form. 0 power 0 form. Zero power 0 form. First case, denominator approaches 0, power base approaches 0, power approaches 0. It is indeterminate form. Indeterminate form because base exact 0 in the base exact 0. 0 power anything is 0. Next, power exactly 0. Any number power 0 is 1. It is a contradiction. So it is a contradiction. So that's why it is the indeterminate form. Base approaches 0, power approaches 0. 0 power is approach 0. 0 power anything is 0. Base is 0, power is base is approaching 0, power is 0. Now it is 1. Now this one 0 power 0 1, 0 power 0 0 1, power is approaching 0. 0.0001, 0.0001, 0.00001 and so on. Power 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, 0.0001 and so on. Power approaching 0. base is exactly 0. 0 power anything is 0. This one, base is approaches 0. 0.1 whole power 0, 0.01 whole power 0, 0.01 whole power 0, 0.001 whole power 0, 0.0001 whole power 0, and so on. Here base approaches 0. Base approaches 0. Power is 0. Power always 0. Any number power 0 always 1. So all are 1. So all are approaching 1. 1 is the answer. So it is indeterminate form. It is a contradiction. I hope you are understanding. This point, the second one, 0 power 0, 0 power 0. It is undefined. 0 power 0, undefined. 0 power 0, undefined. This one also in indeterminate form. So 0 power 0, base exactly 0. Now base exactly 0. Answer is 0. 0 power anything is 0. Now 0 approaching, power is 0. Power exactly 0. Power exactly 0. Now it is 1. Any number power 0 is 1. It is a contradiction. 0 power 0 is undefined. Base exactly 0. Power approaches 0. So 0 power anything is 0. So base approaching 0, power is exactly 0. This one is 1. It is a contradiction. Next one. Next indeterminate form, infinite power 0 form. Base approaches infinity, power approaches 0. Base approaches infinity, power approaches 0. But power 0 అనుకోండి. Suppose in case power value exactly 0, any number power 0 is 1. Base approaches infinity. Infinity power anything is infinity. Infinity power anything is infinity. Anything power 0 is 1. It is also contradiction. So for example here 4 power 0 is 1. 4 power 0 is 1. 4.0.4 power 0 is also 1. Anything power 0 is 1. Infinity power anything is infinity. It is a contradiction. So it is indeterminate form. Now base approaches infinity, power approaches 0. It is a indeterminate form. It is a indeterminate form. So second one is base approaches infinity, power is exactly 0. Anything power 0 is 1. It is a determinate form. This one is a determinate form. For example, 10 power 0, 100 power 0, 1000 power 0, 10,000 power 0, and so on. All are 1. All are 1. Last indeterminate form, 1 power infinity form. 1 power infinity. So base approaches 1, power approaches infinity. This one is indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. So base approaches 1, power approaches infinity. So already from 1 by 2 whole power infinity. Base is less than 1. Base is less than 1. This will be 0. This one approaches 0. So 2 power infinity. This one approaches infinity. Base is greater than 1. It approaches infinity. సో 1 power infinity. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాం, ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తాయి. జస్ట్ మెమరైజ్డ్. బేస్ అప్రోచెస్ 1, పవర్ అప్రోచెస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇండిటర్మినేట్ ఫార్మ్. సో 1 power infinity, 1 power anything is 1. It is a determinate form. 1 power infinity, it means base exactly 1, power approaches infinity. పవర్ అనేది ఇన్ఫినిటీ అనేది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఎప్పుడు ఉండదు కదండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్వేస్ అప్రోచెస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ, మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఆర్ ప్లస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ. ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఏమైనా ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఉండదు. ఎగ్జాక్ట్ 0 ఉంటుంది, ఎగ్జాక్ట్ 5 ఉంటుంది, ఎగ్జాక్ట్ 1 ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఉండదు కదా. సో జస్ట్ అప్రోచెస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ. సో 1 power is approaches infinity. 1 power infinity is always 1. But base approaches 1, power approaches infinity. It is a indeterminate form. Just memorize it.